So now come back to the sum. The sum looks very big. 15 journal entries. Yeah, 15 entries we have to do. 15 ledger accounts we have to open, and then trial balance. That's a very nice sum. It's already uploaded. Can I have somebody putting it in the chat box, please? Can you please put it in the chat box? The question immediately. Can you take a photo of this and put it in the chat box, please? So that I can, you will only interact with me so that I'll be able to give you what is the second entry, third entry, and everything. Please kindly take it. Anybody there to take it? Oh, thank you, Vishesh. Thank you, Siddharth. Thank you, Prem. So many people have sent it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. So now I'm closing it. Ajit, this will be there in nothing. I'll open another document. Yeah. Another document where we'll prepare the journal. Yeah. I'm opening an Excel. I'm opening an Excel. Okay, Excel is not shared. Yeah, I have to share the Excel. Yeah, book one. Yeah, book one is shared to you. Yeah, see, I'll be starting now the problem. Please look at the way I'm starting the problem. In the books of who? Ajit, right? Yeah. So in the books of Ajit, journal entries. Date is not there here, but the serial number is there. So we'll write it as date only. Date particulars, amount. Rupees. I'm highlighting it. Yeah, that's nice. Over. So all is done. Once I do the journal entry, you can do the ledger accounts. I think, yes, right? You can do it, right? Class can do ledger accounts, right? Don't you think you can do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. So I will not do the ledger entries. You will do the ledger entries. I'll give you the amount. I mean, I'll trial balance amount. You can go ahead doing it. Okay, I'm closing this date little more closer so that it comes in a page. Yeah. Now the first entry. What is the question? Ajit started business by investing cash rupees 5 lakh. He brought goods for rupees 40,000 and furniture. So he brought means he's purchased. So there are three things in a particular aspect. He's invested 5 lakh. He's purchased the goods and he's purchased his furniture. Asset is there, purchased thing, and he's invested 5 lakh. Are you getting it? So there are three aspects. Personal is there, real is there, personal and real is there. Am I right? Yeah, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Am I right? So these three things are there. So the next aspect is we have to put a transaction. Yeah, I'll just put one. Oh, there's one thing which I left in the format. What is that one thing which I left?
Ledger folio.
Thank you. Who was that? Who was that?
Vishesh.
Thank you. Thank you. So we can really have this small, very small ledger folio. We can have the particulars little more bigger. Yeah. So cash account data is 5 lakhs. Yeah, capital invested. Now there is purchase stock. Stock is being purchased, right? So we will brought goods. It's a stock. It is not the aspect of giving the money and buying it. So it will be under stock. You will write the word as stock account. I'm sorry, I gave you the notion as purchase. It is purchase only, but it is a way of bringing the goods. Yeah, so this is to 40,000. Yeah, so the next one is he bought furnitures. Furniture account data. How much is it? 50,000. To capital. Capital account. 4. How much is the total? 5 lakh 40 plus 5 lakh 50. How much is 5 lakh 40 plus 50? What is the
5 lakh
amount?
90.
5 lakh 90,000. So, being with bought cash, stock, furniture towards capital. It's capital account. I hope you're clear with my first adjustment. Are you clear? The whole class?
Yes,
Yeah, I made it combined. I did it combined way. So that is the reason it is come like this. Are you getting it? Yeah, so cash account data. Now I'll save the sum. Exercise. Otherwise, if suppose suddenly it gets off, I will not be able to get you the document. I'll save it in fall semester. BTech. Yeah, this is exercise 2. Not saved. So that's nice. The next one. What is the next question? Purchase building for 1 lakh. So building is an asset. So building account data. Buildings account data. It is 5. How much is the amount? 1 lakh. Cash to cash account. To cash account. 1.
Which purchase should cash come out? Cash to building. Or would it be reverse?
Cash to building or building to cash? Or why building to purchase should come? Give me an answer. By being building purchased. Why should I write purchase, Vishesh? Tell me.
Because you're paying cash.
Yeah,
for
so
your
but what is the
purchase
question?
building.
What is the question?
Purchase building for 1 lakh.
Yeah, so it's an asset. Am I right? So
Yes.
assets are, asset is what? We will, how did you buy the building?
By cash.
Yeah, so it's very clear now. Should we write
Yes.
purchase or cash?
Cash.
Now you're clear? Cash, yeah. Fine. So that's the way. Next one. Third, that transaction will be give you more clarity, Vishesh. Yeah. Purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash. What is it? Real account. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. What is coming in here now?
Goods. Stock.
Don't use the word stock. Stock is only keeping it in the first transaction. Yeah. What is it coming in now? The word is given in the sum, in the question.
Purchase.
Purchase. Purchase. Purchase account data. 6. How much? 30,000.
Cash.
Cash. Cash account 1. 30,000. Yeah. So being, guys, I'm finishing completely all the things. Being goods purchased in cash. Now, if you can see that I've not left anything here in the format. Yeah, when I'm doing a process, particular transaction, I'm making sure that all the ledger folios are filled. I'm filling the narration. I'm filling the serial number. I'm filling the dates. Nothing is pending here. This is called as completion of a problem. Yeah, a completion of a transaction. Yeah. So next one. Yes, your excuse. Please tell me.
And why aren't we counting building in purchases? Like, why are we mentioning it separately?
Building is an asset. All the assets are expenses. Assets will be mentioned. Assets will be mentioned in your transaction.
Okay.
Furniture, building, all are your assets. Interest on capital is a particular aspect of all those aspects will be mentioned in the. Have you read that 17 pages? If I'm
Yes.
right or wrong, have you read it as a
I just
magazine?
got confused as in like,
Okay,
it- there's also
fine.
bought as well.
Yeah. So he brought goods as stock. Okay, remember that word, brought goods.
Yes, ma'am.
Please mark it in your pencil somewhere in the classwork with a double star. Yeah.
Yes.
Bought, bought is something different. B-O-U-G-H-T is different. Brought is something different. Yeah.
Yes.
Fine. Yeah. Thank you. Now purchase goods on credit. Purchase goods on credit. There's a transaction of credit. I find people going away from the camera. Please come on a camera. What is it? Purchased. Purchase goods on credit.
Purchase to credit.
Credit.
Purchase to creditors. Purchase account data. 6. How much is the amount? 2,500.
500.
To creditors. Creditors. Creditors account. How much is it? This is again new thing. Yeah. So 2,500. Yeah. I've done the things. Being goods purchased. Credit. Yeah,
Ma'am,
so
the
that's
meaning
done.
for this is basically they're like they haven't paid the cash, they'll pay within 30 or 15 days, correct?
After 15 days. Yes, exactly.
Okay, but you say purchase goods for with credit means did we not pay the cash or did they not pay the cash? Did the customers not pay
We
the cash?
have not paid. I
We
mean,
have
see,
not
it's
paid.
our
Okay.
books. It's our
Yeah, yeah, okay.
books. The somebody we has purchased from us who has not paid.
Wait, what? So did we buy goods and not pay? Did the company did XYZ Limited or
Did
did
Ajit,
Ajit
Ajit, Ajit bought,
yeah
Ajit
did
bought the
I
goods on credit.
on credit? Okay, okay, understood.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Cartage account, paid cartage. Cartage is a nominal account. Am I right? Cartage is all nominal. What is the formula for nominal account? Can I have an answer from your side? What is the formula? What is the golden rule? Debit all,
Expenses. It
debit all
gain.
expenses and losses. Credit all
Credit.
incomes and gains. So debit all expenses means
Income and gain.
cartage is cartage is an expense. Cartage account data. It's a new thing. 8 to cash. Cash account 1. What is the amount? 200. Guys, beware when you have smaller figures. Always be cautious. You're writing a smaller amount. Being fright. Spelling is wrong. F-R-E-I-G-H-T. Being fright paid for transporting the goods. This will be uploaded today in the YouTube. Okay, this class. Yeah. So please be on the camera. I'll be talking to you. You have to interact with me. Yeah. So please. The next one. What is the next one? Can I have the question? Sold goods for cash.
Sold goods for cash.
Yeah.
Sales and
So
cash.
cash and sales, right? Step 1 is cash and sales. Step 2 is cash and sales are real account. Step 3 is what is getting debited, what is getting credited. So real account, what is the formula for the real account? Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. See, I'm not having any books open. We are looking at ourselves. We are writing it. Yeah. So what is the answer? What is coming in? Cash is coming in. So cash account data. Account data. 2. What is going out? Sales. Sales is always a credit entry. I've always told you. Am I right?
Yes.
The amount? 25,500. Yeah, 25,500. So being what? Goods sold for cash. Seventh entry. What is the seventh entry? Sold goods for cash to Avatar, 2,400. Please have an answer. Cash account data again.
And sales.
Yes, thank you. Two sales. 9. What is the amount? 2,400. I need an answer. You even if I'm giving you the answer, please give me the answer. Being goods sold for cash to Avatar. You getting it? See, I've written it very clearly. Avatar spelling is correct, right? AVTAR. Yeah. Yeah. So I've written it. The seventh transaction is over. Seventh transaction is over. Yeah. Now eighth transaction. What is the eighth transaction? Sold goods to Mahender on credit. So what is it? Mahender. Ajit has sold goods to Mahender. Am I right? Now Ajit is selling the goods. Yeah. Mahender bought the goods. Now Ajit is selling. Sorry, Mahender has bought the goods from Ajit. So Mahender account data. It's a personal. It's a new thing. 10. 4,650. What from where? Sales. To sales account. Sales account is 9. 4,650. Being goods sold to Mahender on credit. On credit. I have given the transactions, narrations, all perfect, I think. Yes. Ninth one.
Ma'am, why will it come to sales even if it's credit, ma'am?
We need to really, sales is always a credit.
No, not like that. Like
Oh, you are asking why I wrote their creditor. Here I'm writing to sales.
yeah.
There Ajit only purchased. You are the person who asked me previously,
Correct, yeah.
right?
Me only.
Ajit purchased. Yeah.
Okay.
Ajit purchased there. Am I right?
Correct.
Here it is Mahender purchased, Purvesh.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
but the money has still not come to us, right? So, like, my question
It
is
has
like,
not come to us. You will get to know in the 15th transaction. You will
okay,
get to know the end of the particular person whether we have received it or not.
not okay.
Okay. In the
So
15th
my question
transaction.
is, let's say that 15-day or 30-day, that stipulated period expires, and they
Yes.
haven't paid yet. How do we indicate
Yes.
that in the books?
That's what I'm coming. I'll come to the 15th transaction. I'll give you an explanation.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. Sold goods to Mahindra on credit. I have done now. I think I'm going very slow. I am doing it. I hope you are able to understand. Whole 23 set of students are able to understand.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
be on the camera, please. Please be on the camera.
Yes, ma'am.
I want the whole set of students to be on the camera. I find many people have gone. Please be on the camera. I hope you are able to understand. Yeah, the next one. Please do not dishearten me, please. Paid freight. It's again a nominal. Paid freight. Yeah, so freight. Freight is a expenses. What's the spelling here?
FREI.
What is the spelling? Yeah.
FREIGHT.
Yeah, freight account data. Freight account data. It's a new thing. 11. What is the amount?
120.
See, be very careful with these amounts, huh? We have to be very, very careful. Freight account data to what? To cash. Yeah. 1. See, such a small amount is coming in. Again, being freight
Paid.
it in cash for transporting the goods. So done. 10th one. Deposited cash into bank. So there are two things, cash and bank. Step 1. Bank is Personal, cash is real. Debit the receiver. Who's the receiver? Bank account. Bank account data. The new one, so 12. What is the amount? 8,000.
8,000.
Two cash account. Two cash account. One. 8,000. Yeah. Cash deposited in the bank. Yeah. I've done that 11th transaction. What is the 11th transaction? Paid salary, nominal. Yeah. So
Salary.
it's a salary
Salary.
account. Yes. Salary account data. 13th. Give me the amount.
4,600.
4,600.
Yeah. Never say 4,600. Say 4,600 in accounting. Yeah. That is
Yes.
the aspect. Yeah. Never say 4,600. Never say it 1,500 it should be. It should be 120, 120. You have to mention the tens here. Units, tens, hundreds. Two cash. That is the aspect of an accounting, learning and an accounting. Yeah.
Yes.
1,600. Salary paid by cash. I've done that. 12th entry. Withdrew from bank for rupees 5,000 for office use. Again, cash and bank is there. Am I right? There is no drawings there. It is office use. You cannot have drawings. Right? So cash account data. 1 to bank account. Account, how much is that transaction? 12.
5,000.
What is the amount? Thank you.
5,000.
Thank you. This is a narration. Cash withdrew from bank for office use. From the question, I can create the narration. Yeah, from the question, I'm creating the narration. 13th. My God. Yeah, 13th. 13th is what? Withdrew.
Withdrew
Now
from-
comes private use. Private use, make a double quote, double star, mark it as drawings. Yeah, proprietor's drawings. Personal use is the word. Personal use means drawings. Proprietor's drawings. Proprietor's drawings account data. What is the transaction number? Ledger folio number is 14. Bank, right? Bank only, right? Bank is 12. What is the amount?
3,000.
3,000.
3,000. Thank you. Guys, please interact. At least the question only I'm asking you to interact. Please interact. Being cash from bank for personal use. Okay. We are coming to the end of the transactions. 14th, charged interest on capital. Again, interest on capital is a nominal account. Expenses, interest on capital account. Data, the new one. Somebody calling me? On capital account data, to capital. To capital account, one, right? No. What is our number? Ledger folio number, capital is 4. Yeah, capital is 4. We have to remember the numbers when we are doing it. Yeah. What is the amount?
12,500.
Yeah, thank you. 12,500.
Excuse me, it would capital and why not to cash? Because we're getting it.
Yeah, somebody asked me something. What is it?
And why is it to capital and not to cash?
Yeah, Vishesh, now go to the question, Vishesh. Open the question. Charged interest on capital. Yeah. charged interest on capital, it's a nominal expense. Am I right? Yeah, nominal and personal is coming in. Am I right? Vishesh, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So nominal account, what is the golden rule? Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Yeah. So charged interest on capital will be, interest on capital is a nominal expense. So interest on capital will be debited, and who is getting charged? The capital is only getting, Ajit is only getting charged. Am I right? Are you getting my
Yes.
answer? Ajit is only getting
Yes.
charged. Being interest provided for capital. So now coming to the last transaction, 15. Now the word, somebody asked me something, ma'am, how the payment, right? Mahendra became insolvent, only rupees 3,000 could be realized from him. The word insolvent, please mark it in your notebook, double star it. Insolvent means bad debt. The word insolvent means bad debt. Insolvent means bad debt. Yeah. So now comes the real thing. What is it? Mahendra became insolvent. He's become a bad debt. He has not paid the amount. How much has he purchased the goods for? The eighth transaction, 4,650.
4,006.
How much have we realized in the last?
3,000.
3,000.
So what is the difference?
1,650.
Yeah. Cash. How much I have received? Cash account data is 1. How much have I received? 3,000. Am I right? Yeah. To Mahendra. Mahendra's account number is, what is account number? 10. Yeah. Mahendra's number is 10. So here the amount of sale is 4,650. So what is the amount? Bad debt. Bad debt amount of 1,650 is a loss for Ajit. Bad debt account data. It's a new one again. So 15, right? 16. So 16 accounts you have to open, guys. Ledger accounts, 1,650. Now, have you understood this transaction? I'm writing the narration and I'll then come back to you. Being amount received in full settlement. I have to settle my transactions. Without settling my transactions, I cannot go away. So Mahendra's account settled. Can I now come back to you? Yeah. Have you understood? Purvesh, you asked me this doubt.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now you understood. Insolvent, the word is bad debts. Can I stop
Yeah.
recording? Can I stop recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm stopping to record. Yeah.